Hello everyone, how you all doing? Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So I believe you are doing fine, because as for me, I'm doing perfectly fine. So this channel is all about spiritual way to to grow yourself spiritually. If you want to set yourself free from evil ones, we are in a wicked world. You have to know that the spiritual controls physical, and that is why you should take this channel seriously. Sorry, the rain is falling, and that is why the noise is. I'll have to raise my voice. So if any of this sounds weird, you have to subscribe, okay? Hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos. So as you can see, we are going to be talking about power of rainwater. Just as I'm about to make this video, the rain is actually falling outside. I believe you can hear the noise. Very good. This is actually a blessing. So I really thank God for it, because I'm actually going to be doing the video. Rainwater is purifying. Rainwater is cleansing. You can use any other water to perform spiritual work, but rainwater is so unique. You want to purify yourself, to purify anything, to cleanse yourself, to cleanse your home. So it's very cleansing and it's very purifying. It's also very controlling. Like if you want to get anything, use rainwater and you see everything coming to pass. So when you use rainwater for spiritual cleansing, it works amazingly. If you want it, if you need a job, you want to get this job, like this job is really so attractive, the pay is really attractive. If you want to get that job, you don't have to worry, because when you use rainwater the right way, it's going to see what is going to happen. It also has the power to remove, to cast away spells. If anyone has cast any evil spell on you, rainwater can wash it off like very easily. If you want to stop a bad relationship, you can use rainwater with prayers. Yeah, with prayers. You can use rainwater to stop that relationship. If you want to stop divorce, you love this person and you don't want divorce to happen, you can use rainwater to stop it. You can have your bath with it to get rid of hatred, to get rid of disappointment, and to get rid of delay. In case you have been experiencing delay, disappointment, all manner of hatred, unnecessary hatred, people will just hate you for no reason, you can use rainwater. So what you have to do is just to use a bucket. When it's raining, you can just use something, like even if it's a container, keep it outside or maybe through your window. Just take the rainwater, even if it's a little. If you want to use it just to wash only your face, you can just take a little of it, with prayers. But I'm going to show you the right way to use rainwater so that all this will be very effective. You can actually use it to get favor. If you want, you like this guy, you like this woman, and you want that person to agree with the proposal, or if you want that man to come, and most women, they don't like going to ask a guy for that they like that guy. So you have to do this, and the person is going to surely come your way and get married to you. Yes. So if you have been in a relationship and this person refuses to propose, you can actually use rainwater. So it's just about saying your wish, so it's just about saying what you want, and it will start coming to pass. Just say your wish and it will start coming to pass. Rainwater is highly natural, it's highly spiritual. Okay, this rainwater I'm talking about is not the one that is falling from the roof, the roof of your house. Not the one from the gutter of your roof, the one dropping from your roof. No, it's not that one. It's the one falling directly from heaven, like from the sky. That is the one you should use. Even if it's just little quantity you can get, no problem. I'm not saying you should go out there and start wetting yourself with rain. No, you have to collect it, take it to your home, and do the necessary thing. Okay, so when you collect rainwater, when you collect any quantity you want to collect, the first thing you have to do, you have to put it in a bowl. Okay, then if you are going to be removing hatred, disappointment, or delay, you have to pray with it. Say your prayers, say your wishes. You have to pray very well. After praying, then you wash your face with it. You have to repeat this thing for 7 days. Repeat for 7 days, 7 times. You can do it early morning, you can do it at night, anytime. But you have to be serious with this because it works very well. Before you start, you have to use Psalm 35. Okay, Psalm 35 is highly powerful. Back it up with this and you see everything manifesting. Okay, Psalm 35 is actually about fighting battle, and you don't need to fight. You just need God to fight for you. Read every word line by line. It's going to get rid of any bad energies. It will get rid of any evil ones, your enemies that is stopping you from progressing. So after reading those verses, you have to go ahead and pray. Pray with the water. You have to pray with the rainwater, and after that, you use it to wash your face. Okay, you can get enough water and bath with it 7 times. I didn't say morning and night, only once daily. You can use your normal water with your soap to bath in the morning, and but use this particular one once. You can do it at night, you can do it in the morning, as I said. Do it, repeat it the next day, the upper day, go like that for 7 days. And all those hatred and disappointment must surely be out of your life. It should be out of your forehead, to erase disappointment, hatred from you, so that when people see your face, they will see, they want to favor you. Pray with rainwater and you see it, all your wishes will be granted. Make sure you don't collect the rainwater that is dropping from your roof. All those rain dropping from your roof, no. Get the one directly from that is not touching anywhere. To use it to stop bad relationship. Maybe you have been telling this person that you don't want anymore, and this person is so toxic. This person is not, is not making you happy. There are some toxic relationship that you want to just run away or set free, and this person refuses. This person refuses to give you peace. Just wants you to tie it down. Some people, they are really toxic. If you want to be set free, you have to use rainwater, and you have to pray with the rainwater. Say what you want, and it must surely come to pass. Okay, so this is how you should do it. You want to stop bad relationship, you have to bath with it. Take your bath with it. If it's a small amount of water you collected from the rain, you have to just use it to wash your face, and you have to drink the rest. Drink it, so that whenever the person sees you, you just want to free you as you want, and let you go in peace, in good health, in long life, to stop a divorce from happening. Maybe your partner, your wife, or your husband is seeking wants a divorce, and you don't want a divorce. You have to get rainwater. Say the person's name, but before you do so, okay, you have to make sure you are not toxic. Make sure you change, for good, because the person may just be feeling sad because of how you are treating him or her. Okay, you have to pray. Say the person's name into the water, be moving it. Say the person's name, that you don't want divorce, that the person should consider peace. You should consider both of you to come back, that you don't want divorce, you don't want separation. Okay, after that, you have to bath with the water. Do it 7 times. Repeat it 7 times, and before you know it, there won't be any divorce. Make sure you say the person's name, and as you are saying it, be saying that you promise to be good. You don't want to treat him or her bad. Make sure that after stopping that divorce, you will not return to your old ways of treating that person bad. Just understand yourselves, okay, and everything will be fine. So as I said, you can use it to get job. Just pray with the water. You can use it to get favor. I don't want this video to be so lengthy, okay? I don't want it to be so long because of people that manage their data. They don't want to waste. I don't want it also, okay? So you have to pray with rainwater, and whatever you want, just say it. If it's someone maybe in a relationship, you want that person, or you want to stop divorce, you have to mention the person's name. Okay? If you want a job, just say that you want a job. You want this kind of job. Maybe you went for an interview and you want them to take you. You want them to call you back. Just say it, pray. So doing that, you see things working well for you, and God will surely bless you and open doors for you, and everything will work for you by the grace of God. The power of rainwater is so magical. It's so spiritual. It's so natural, beyond natural, supernatural. Use it for your own benefits. Use it and you see everything moving well for you. Remember to use Psalms, okay? Psalm 35 if you want to remove hatred, delay, and disappointment for you from your life. Use it to pray against disappointment, delay, and hatred. After praying, you bath with it 7 times, okay? And everything will work well for you, okay? So I believe you find this video helpful. If you do so, give it a thumbs up, share this video to everyone, and also please kindly subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos. Sorry for the noise, it's actually the rain falling, and I'll go and get mine because I want to use it for cleansing. It's very cleansing, purifying, to remove bad energy, to bring peace, to bring peace into your home. Yeah, I forgot to add this. Because of time, I forgot to add this. If you want to remove bad energy from home, you can actually pray with rainwater. Sprinkle it around your home. The water is very cold. You can actually warm it up, You can just boil some amount of it. Just mix it to be warm. Because of some people that are living in a cold weather, you can boil it and use it to have your bath. But make sure it's the one dropping directly from the sky. Just keep your bowl or bucket outside. Yeah. It's natural. It will help you, okay? Just sprinkle it around the house to remove bad energy, to remove the power of the witches and wizards, to stop the power of the wicked people. And God will surely bless you. If you are using it to drink, okay, if you are going to be drinking it, you have to fetch it directly from the sky. Do not allow it to touch any polluted places. Alright, so that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. God will surely bless you and meet you according to your needs. Remain blessed and safe until my next video. Bye.